Hi, this is VanDerBrink, and we are in Greenfield, Iowa, and we are taking pictures and doing inventory of the Frizell Tractor Collection. If you remember last year, we were down here selling the Hondas, and Keith and his brother, mostly Keith, had a tractor collection, and so we're going to be showing you some of that. The auction is going to be May 21st, starting at 10 a.m. We also have an assortment of parts and other items. So we want to see you here in Greenfield, Iowa again. It's going to be fun. We're going to give you a walk around and show you what we got. We have a mostly international case. Clyde and his brother Ivan started off with a case dealership, and their brother Keith was also a customer, but both of them are red power fanatics. You aren't going to see any green here. There's everything from restored to projects. There's several F-30s. Many of these run. The guys have had them out. And Randy has been helping with us again and told me that over half of these run and drive. We also have implements, horse-drawn and otherwise. But they kept everything and did not throw anything away. That's how the case is with all good depressioners. We also have an assortment of manuals and parts from the old case dealership. So we do have some NOS parts for case. Randy said you can hop right on this. The tractor runs, and the corn picker, they mounted it, and you can take it out and just go. They used all this equipment through the years. We have a few other ones that aren't here yet, but there's about 65, 70 of them. There's an MD that we have to get here yet. But we want to see you in Greenfield, Iowa on May 21st for the Frizell Tractor Auction. Be on time, because we're going to get kicking it off right away with the tractors. For more information, check out our website at VanDerBrink Auctions with an S.com. You can also bid online on the tractors at proxybid.com. You can bid through VanDerBrinkAuctions.com. For more information, give me a call, 605-201-7005. If you're looking to have an auction, we'd like to work with you. See ya in Greenfield, Iowa, May 21st.